It's snowing. Look, it's snowing. It's snowing. Look.
You should stop videoing because I'm cold.
Are you? I'm sorry, anak. I'm sorry, baby love.
I know what will get you right off the snow. Polka dots.
Look at my driveway. It's snowing.
Okay, you should just stop videoing me.
Ooh, look at the trees. I love the snow. Do you love the snow now?
Not that much, but
I guess not, huh?
not that much. You should let me finish. Not that
Ooh,
much.
you like the snow because you don't have school right now, right? Right, anak? But tomorrow I probably already have school. Anyway, there you go. Ooh, it's so white.